Today I'm going to do an experiment of speed control of a DC motor using PWM technique. And in previous video, I have done an experiment to control the speed of the DC motor using potentiometer. And one more video on why to choose PWM technique and why not potentiometer technique to vary the speed of the DC motor. So the links of those two videos I'm sharing in the description box. You can go through that before watching this video. In this experiment, I'm using external 12 volts DC adapter in order to connect this to the L298N motor driver. So how to connect the 12 volts DC motor adapter positive terminal? You connect to 12 volt supply pin of the motor driver, and ground pin of this and ground pin of a DC adapter, you connect, make common ground and connect it on the ground rail on the breadboard. And here no need to connect 5 volts pin. I am not at all using, so you can leave this connection open. But ground of Arduino board, you should be connected to ground of the breadboard, because I am making ground of Arduino, ground of DC adapter, and ground of the motor driver as a common ground. For that purpose, I am using breadboard. And enable pin of motor driver, it is written on the L298 and driver motor driver. You just check which pin is enable, which pin is in one, and which pin is in two. Accordingly, you do the connection. Enable pin, you should connect to pin number 10. And I have used pin number 10. You can use any pin, but remember you should use PWM pins. So pin number 2, 3, 5, 6, sorry, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. They are having some tilt symbol. Tilt symbol indicates PWM pin. So to that pin, you should connect the enable pin. And in one and in two, you connect anywhere. So I'm using pin number 8 and pin number 9 for doing connection with in one and in two. And motor, you connect to the out 1 and out 2 terminal of 12 volts DC motor. Here, these two are out 1 and out 2. This is for another DC motor. You can connect another DC motor here. I'm controlling one DC motor. I'm choosing out 1 and out 2. So this is all about connection. And how to do the connection procedure, I have neatly written here. You can check it. And using this PWM technique, pulse width modulation technique, I'll vary the duty cycle from 64, and that is 25% duty cycle, 128, 50% duty cycle, 255, 100% duty cycle. So these duty cycles I'm using in my video. And in code 1 duty cycle I have given, that is it is a speed value between 0 to 251 only you should give. 0 to 255 only you should give. And I'm pin number 8, I'm declaring variable as motor pin A and motor pin B for pin number 9 and enable pin for 10. And all are making, I am making as output, because I want to send a signal from microcontroller to the motor driver. So that these pins I am making it as output port. Then I'm going to write high to pin A and low to pin B. So the motor starts rotating in one direction. And the speed I'm giving as 64, that is 25% duty cycle. I'm giving it to enable pin. So just for demonstration purpose, I'm giving 200 millisecond time delay. So then after writing this, after this code, I should upload this code to the motor Arduino Uno board. How to upload, I'll show you now. So go to same program you write here and go to tools. Select the board under AVR board, Arduino Uno board, and select the port COM3. Then you just click on upload button. So it takes few seconds to compile the program. After compiling, it will show us done compiling. After that, it will upload and it will show done uploading. So uploading is over. Now I'll show you the output.